Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about Infinite Crypto. Now this has been released by Venkatash. Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about Infinite Crypto. Now Infinite Crypto has already been released. It was released on Sunday, but I'm getting a lot of emails off people like Jamie Lewis advertising this, so I thought I'd take a look just to see what it was all about. Now, I've had a look inside this dashboard, guys, and have I got some things to tell you about this particular product. I'm going to bring some balance into the particular reviews. I've seen the ones online, I've seen all the bonuses they're giving away for this, and quite honestly guys, not one of them will be able to tell you how you can actually make money using this product. So guys, my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to our channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And as usual guys, if you're really serious about learning how to build a business online with affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we're going to take you through the whole process step by step. So let's jump straight into Infinite Crypto, guys. This is going to make you between $50 and $100 a day. That's circa $100,000 a year, guys, with this piece of software. Simply set and forget. Only takes 3 minutes to set up. Newbies already getting results. Attain the lead laptop lifestyle, and it's a 180-day money-back guarantee. So I'm not going to go through the whole sales page, guys. You could do this. It's the usual kind of made-up financial claims, all the usual stuff, but basically this is supposed to be all about crypto mining. Now crypto mining is obviously huge at the moment, and basically what you're doing is you're buying processing power to validate multiple different types of formula on blockchain. Now it's very, very complex, and it needs a hell of a lot of processing power, which is why you have massive companies setting up all of these mining farms around the world with multiple servers. So this is supposed to be kind of capitalizing on that. Now I'm going to jump into the actual dashboard itself. Now you have a dashboard here that is completely bare. This is the one they've actually used for their demos, and one thing that did get me straight away is they've got 3 people on here telling you with their testimonials that they're earning money, and they can't actually show me anywhere with any kind of demo where that money is coming from at all. So even their own training here, where they have a demo here which really just goes through the same thing I'm going to go through in about 5 minutes here, nothing on here tells me how I'm actually going to make money. So if I'm a complete newbie, and especially if I know nothing about cryptocurrency, which to be honest guys I don't, but this should be able to tell me exactly how I'm going to make money. So apparently on here you've got a dashboard. Let me just go back with your total sales amount, your total users, your total miners, and your total plans. Now you're supposed to be able to sell these plans to people. No training in here about how you actually do that. There's an area to set up your miners. No training about what you're supposed to be doing as far as setting them up, just some random numbers you put in. Then you have all these deposits area, withdrawals area, and you've got this login by browser, by OS, and by country, as if somebody else is going to come along to this. So there's no actual way that they're showing you that anybody is going to come over to the site. There's no kind of traffic training here. There's nothing. So if you are encouraging people to come over this site and register, there's nothing here to be able to do that. You have some miners here. This is where you set up the different types of coins you're going to go and mine. And you see here people just put random things on here. The idea is, I think you're supposed to put the actual name of the coin and the actual coin code, like BTC for Bitcoin, etc. But, you know, again, no training here about how to do it. Sales here, don't worry about this, guys, because you're never going to get a sale here. But the idea is that you actually go and sell memberships to this to people, because you have some plans here and you're selling some form of processing power to these folks. But again, if I go on to edit, you would go on here and you say this is a title of them, this is the miner's name, this is a price, this is a fixed term amount, return amount, speed, this is the actual speed that's they're going to be paying for processing wise, the period, and some features, and then you update and then you add them in there. But what for, guys? This is such a confusing product that I thought I was missing something to start with, and I don't think I am. So you've got a deposit history here again. Depending, rejected, approved, no idea what for. They can't show you anything with any numbers in here. Payments in here, you've got a load of payment processes that you're actually attaching onto here. Again, no training about why you need them or what they're going to be for. Reports here, SEO settings for the site. This is built on their own app, which is cloud based. No one's ever going to come across this organically. It doesn't matter what you put in here. It's not going to be seen organically. You have a support here, which is actually an email for a previous product called Pixabuild. So Pixabuild helpdesk at gmail.com is their support. So bad, guys. And then you have some upgrades here, which is, I wouldn't go anywhere near these upgrades. Guys, I usually discuss my OTOs within the reviews. I'm not going to waste your time doing that on here. I'll just put them in the description below. So if you're really interested in this, you can go and have a look at them. And then you have some bonuses here. Ebook Riches, Niche Marketing Pro, just a bunch of ebooks, and some OTO setups there. And then you have your training. Now the training is just 2 very standard PowerPoints on cryptocurrency, which are interesting, but they're basically YouTube videos that somebody's put on here. And then you have the actual demo here, which again, nobody can show you anywhere this has actually made money. So guys, that's really the products as a whole. Let me just jump back to the sales page. If you just go through this, you've got all of these, that there's no correlation between what's happening in the actual software and these numbers. You're going to go and get access to the software's dashboard. You enter some simple details, and then you sit back, relax, and ride the wave of cryptocurrency. But they can't actually show you anywhere, no demos or anything. These are the 3 guys, how you're going to make money with this. So guys, over and all, if I'm wrong on this review, I'd love somebody to share with me in the comments a specific example of how this software has actually made any money for anybody apart from the vendors selling it to you guys and ripping you off your money. I really can't see how this is going to make anybody any money. These guys aren't mining crypto. These guys are just buying and selling it because they're mega rich. So guys, this is apparently $14,130 worth of software, and you're going to get it for $17 today. Now there is a 180-day money back guarantee. I want you to make sure you take advantage of that if you don't see any money back from this particular software, which I pretty much guarantee you won't. Please prove me wrong, somebody. And unfortunately, I would avoid this completely. I'm going to give it a 0 out of 10. I think it's a complete waste of time. This, guys, to me just feels like a big cash grab. So guys, my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you want to hear more of these reviews, go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And guys, if you're serious and you want to learn how to build a business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through our free affiliate marketing training step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.